When talking about water, you might have heard someone mention hardness and found yourself wondering, what the heck is hardness? Water contains dissolved minerals, and one of the important ones is calcium carbonate. So, when rain falls out the sky, it's acidic, sometimes as low as pH 4.5 to 5. And when this runs across rocks, it can dissolve certain ones, chiefly limestone. That then goes into rivers and into our water sources. Limestone is calcium carbonate, and they're two of the most important ones when we're keeping fish. Calcium is what we generally measure for when we look at GH, and carbonate's what we look at for KH. In a normally functioning tank, you have ammonia, and that combines with oxygen to make nitrites and hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions make things more acidic, it's what pH is defined as. Your KH, or carbonates, act as little sponges that go around and soak up all those hydrogen ions. They combine with them to make something safer and inert. That means your pH remains stable, which is crucial for your fish. But calcium is also really important, especially when you're looking at what fish you want to stock. Calcium is important for nerve function, strong bone growth, a huge number of the functions in our bodies and in fish's bodies. For hardwater fish, such as guppies and Riff Lake cichlids, they take the calcium up via their gills. It's part of processes that also involve taking up oxygen, getting rid of carbon dioxide, getting rid of ammonia out of the body, all sorts of things. Without the calcium being in the water, and enough of it being in the water that the fish can easily take it up via their gills, guppies and these sort of hard water fish start to struggle. They start to lose the ability to have proper nerve function, their bones will start to become really soft, and after a while, they'll sadly die. At the other end of the scale, we have soft water fish. Things like neon tetras, angelfish, discus. Most of the fish that you see come from places like South America, West Africa, and parts of the blackwater sort of regions of Asia. Now, these fish have adapted to be able to take the calcium up via their guts, via their intestines. And this means they can extract calcium from their diet. If there's too much calcium in their system, it starts to interfere with certain processes. And we see things with fish getting sicker much sooner, getting hit with common diseases much easier, and there is some evidence that they might start to store that calcium in their organs, leading to an early death. So it's absolutely crucial that when you're choosing fish for your tank, you take into account the hardness and make sure all the fish in your tank suit your water hardness.